They ain't never changed up. Okay, we done come a little bit in one day. Oil change time. Got it in the garage. Finna see what's up. Need to change the oil. Need to keep continuously running. And yeah, we working. They ain't never changed up. Yeah, they ain't never changed the filter in this thing. That's horrible. That's horrible. I can't even get this off of here. They ain't never changed the oil filter. I'm gonna have to cut it off. Goddamn Copart car. I had to tear the filter off of it. Oh, that's the wash head. Press, wash, pressure washer. So, take this off. This goes in the trash. So of course, you know, I'm gonna have to do the brakes, because the brakes are bad. I'm gonna have to do the flush, check out my water pumps and all that. Probably just go ahead and order some and just replace them. You know, I mean, this is 2010. I bought off a Copart, so I mean, I expect to actually have to do a lot more work to it to get it, you know, up to snuff. You know, I might use it as a little go to work car, secondary car for the M3. You know what I mean? Yeah, fix it. Probably paint it. Work on some of my trade of like learning how to do the interiors and all of that, and just use this as a learning car. You know, and just make it super dope. You know, just a super dope daily. You know. I'm rocking with it though, you know. It's a little beat up. It ain't had no love. It wasn't getting no love. Ooh, we missing some stuff on the back bricks. That's crazy. Somebody was riding around like that. Missing the little clips.